Here's Elmarie, 9 months old, playing with the dog's bone. The dog is close by. She wants her bone back, but Elmarie has it. What are you doing? Are you chewing on that bone? Like the dog? That dog, or that baby is chewing on that bone. And the dog narrowly misses it. That's the baby battle cry. She'll fight for the bone, to keep the bone. She's going to stand up and attempt to make herself appear larger. There it is. The victory cry. No one will get this bone now. Until then, peace out.